pointer q currently has address b4. Integer at this address is right here, right, because this has address b4. So this pointer at present time is pointing to this integer in memory. So just to clarify what the pointer is pointing to, and of course this integer is the second or rather element with index 2 of an array named A. And regardless of the precedence of the operators that we're trying to apply here to our pointer, the decrement should be happening at the very end of the execution of the right-hand side right here. So roughly we can rewrite, or we should be able to rewrite this statement as two statements. So this should be equivalent to this, and then another statement would be just simply q minus minus. So therefore, to be able to interpret this, the correct way to interpret it is that basically we're using the address b4, we're retrieving this value from this location, and we're storing it in the same location because it's also on the left hand side of this assignment there is the same array element referenced. So this is like a self-assignment of the value to itself. Basically this statement right here has no effect. Okay, and the only thing that happens here is that the q value is decremented once again according to the rules. If q currently is pointing to this integer, if we decrement it, the new value should be pointing to this integer which precedes this integer, and it should be b0. Okay, so the only thing that we can change here is this b0 new value. So I guess the assignment is taking place that we're assigning value 1 to itself. Of course, because the dereferencing is taking place, we're manipulating integers. This is an example of a statement. And we can say that this is similar to doing these two steps separately. And as always with post-decrement statements or post-increment operators, we need to notice that there is a side effect that q becomes b0. For ultimate clarity, we could probably parenthesize it like this, but normally this is not the style that C programmers are using. So that would be appropriate just to leave it like this.